Oh, hmm.
Oh, wow. That feels so good.
So we have Vlad here today. You're a CrossFit junkie.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So he's always training. What do you want to look at today?
I'd like to look at my right knee, my left collarbone and shoulder, and lower back, because I also sit a lot too.
You know, a lot of stuff in the front rack position in CrossFit, you're the bar's just slamming down into there. And sometimes you get injuries, or you get wear and tear stuff. So I'm going to come deep into this area. It's not the collarbone itself, but I'm going to come deep into that T1 area and kind of open the nerves up into this area. Drop that. Got it. Perfect. Scoot towards me, so you're going to be closer this way. Give me this arm like this. Nice, right?
Oh.
Did you feel that one?
Oh, yes.
Got it. Come to the other side. Pull up this top knee. And let me have that shoulder come through and back. Got it. Lie on your back. Good. Come stand up, lad. Right over there. How's that feel?
Oh my goodness. It's like a brand new man.
All right, good.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. That's
Appreciate
appreciate
it.
it. We have Nicole here today. You're a vet assistant, like a veterinary medicine. What do you want to work on today? What are some of the spots?
Definitely back for sure. Maybe the neck would be a good place to start too.
So I'm just going to start to feel into the neck, moving the neck side to side. Like here's the spot. Here, let's do something interesting, okay? I'm going to hold your arm up like this.
Okay.
And keep your arm firm so I can't push it down, okay? So hold. And that's a nice strong arm, right? So watch this. So now I'm going to hold this spot where I feel like there's a little pinch and hold your arm and the arm goes weak. If I let go of it, hold, arm goes strong. So I'm going to do a little release in here.
Oh, wow. That feels so good. That's great.
Let's do the other side. How'd that feel, getting those?
Amazing.
Good.
I won't deny, when I first watched your videos, I was actually very scared of this part. But wow, this feels great.
Good. So now I'm going to have you lie face down. Okay, you're going to turn over in your belly and feel the spot here. Big breath in and blow it out. How was that?
Amazing. Wow.
So now I'm going to have you lie on your side facing me this way, please. How was that?
Amazing.
So now scoot all the way towards me. Bring your ankles off the table. How'd that feel?
Amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. We have Eric here today. Eric, what do you want to work on?
I've been having problems with my neck and sometimes my lower back.
Okay. So the first thing I want to do is feel around. Like I feel like a big old knot right here. Do you feel that one? I'm going to put this at the base of your head so it gives a nice stretch, okay? Big breath in and blow it out. Good. Big breath in. Did you hear anything?
Yeah.
Where?
On my neck. On the left side of my neck.
Did it pop a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
Be okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now I'm going to do another type of neck release, okay? Like
Mhm.
you've seen before. Drop your head. Drop it. Give me the weight.
Oh.
Now I'm going to have you lie face down. Lie on your back next. I'm going to reach under and get a little more, okay? There's another layer. Turn your head all the way this way. Lie on your side facing me. And I'm going to look for that lumbar. Right in there. Nice. How's that feel?
Really good.
Good. Come this way now.
Mm-hmm.
Turn on your side. Put my hand through like this. There it is again. Come stand up, Eric, right there.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
That was amazing. That was really, really good. I needed that so bad.
So we have Justine here today. She's a dancer here in New York City. What are some of the things you want to work on?
I definitely have some tightness in like my middle and upper back and my shoulders that I would really like to work on.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to have you start face down so we can
Okay.
look at that first. So this time, I think I know where it is. I think it's right here. I'm just going to kind of tap that in a little bit. And you get it in here too. Do you feel all
Yes.
these?
Yep.
Big breath in and blow it out. Good. There it goes. There it goes. Do those feel okay?
Yep.
Good. So now I'm going to have you lie on your back and come to the top of the table. I'm going to take this paper away. Now you have a big spot here, I can tell already, because that's the one we just tapped.
Yep.
Nice. How's that?
Good.
Lie on your side facing me this way, please. I'm going to go right into the lower back now. Got it. Come this way. Got it. Lie on your back. You didn't know you were going to get this today.
Nope. It's so
You
good.
didn't know that this would happen. Good. So come stand up over here. Put your hands behind your head like this, but under your hair. Good. And I'm going to grab your wrists, okay?
Okay.
And let your elbows collapse and squeeze them a little bit. There. Did you feel that go a little bit?
Yep.
Where did you feel it? A little bit of
Like,
the
yeah.
stretch? Yeah.
Yes.
Good. How'd that feel?
It felt great.
Good. Thank you
Thank you so much.
So we have Hector here today. He's a professional dancer here in New York City. What do you want to look at today?
I really want to check out my scapula and my shoulder on the right side
Okay.
because I've been having a lot of spasming with the muscles.
Okay.
It's starting to get in the way of dance.
Okay.
My alignment is just off and I feel like my shoulder's forward and it's starting to impact my back and my neck's tightening.
Okay. So I'm going to dig my elbow in there for a second. Okay. I'm going to put my elbow right on that knot. So now lie on your back, and I'm going to take this paper away, okay? Oh, wrong direction. So I'm going to do a big pull now, okay, and open up the whole chain. This goes behind your back of your head. So first I stretch like this. Big breath in, and blow it out. Good. What'd you feel?
Felt nice.
So I'm going to do a little spot in here, okay?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
How's that?
Hmm.
Wow. Got it. Good. Come to the other side. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.